让我们一起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Patrick Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 我好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林十少 Joseph Lin with Alice here this month teaching you the phrase when 什麼時候
幾時
We're going to talk about ordering stuff online and how we are speeding things up in delivery and someone asking when is the goods going to come, all right? 什麼時候這些東西會到？這個月就是要教什麼時候 when
幾時
Okay, let's hear this conversation.
上網注文嘅稿子來嘛？
還忙數到
上個禮拜注文嘅應該就會到嘅。
Okay, here's a conversation about ordering some fruits from, I guess, a source, and it's going to take a little while to get here, and it should be here soon. And someone asking that, right? 我們來一句一句來教。
Okay.
上網訂的水果來了嗎？The fruit that you order online, is it here?
上網注文嘅稿子
上網注文嘅稿子
來嘛？上網注文嘅稿子來嘛？
來了沒嗎？就來嘛就好了，對不對？稿字就是水果，不是果汁哦，是水果稿字。OK， 像果子一樣那種感覺嘛。好，上網
上網
miongˋ is the internet. Song means to go on the internet. Okay, 上網 meaning going online. Okay, 還沒收到，你什麼時候訂的？No, I haven't received it yet. When did you order it?
還忙數到幾時注文嘅
幾時注文嘅 Okay, to reserve something or when you order something, it's all 注文 Okay, and not yet, I haven't gotten it. 還忙數到 Okay, that means I haven't received it yet. Okay, and the answer is last week. Ordered it last week. It should be here soon. 上星期訂的應該快到了。
上個禮拜注文嘅應該就會到了。
Okay, 應該快到了。
對
Okay, 應該 that means it should be here soon. 就會就是快
要到了，就會到了。
And then we ordered it last week. 上個禮拜就上個星期。對，就是上個星期的意思了。Okay, let's teach you some of these phrases that we mentioned, such as going online, 上網。
上網
Okay, and then fruits, 水果。
稿字
and finally 快到了 it's coming soon
就會到了
okay 就是快要到了all right let's listen to the conversation again
上網注文嘅稿子來嘛？
還忙數到
上個禮拜注文嘅應該就會到嘅。
and this whole month we're teaching you the phrase how to ask when 什麼時候
幾時
all right hopefully very soon and that does for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
漢字4張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.